in our today's lesson, we are going to revise how to calculate the model value from a given set of data. How to calculate the mode, okay, mode. And we said that the mode is the value or the amount that occurs most of the times in a set of data. Mode is the mode, we said, is an amount of is most common in data. It appears most of the time, it is most common, and we want to do some exercises. Learners, you are on page 208, size 109. Us to do question 1. Question 1. Said fields counted the number of vehicles passing. They counted 8 lorries, 4 buses, 5 small cars, and 2 motorcycles. Which was the most common type of vehicle on that road? Which was the most common type on that road? Most common type of vehicle is what we are calling mode. Will be the mode. When you get the most common type of vehicle, you have calculated the mode. So in calculating mode, learners, it's good to use frequency tables. It's good to use frequency tables. Let me rub this so that I can have enough space. Class 8 pupils counted the number of vehicles, okay, passing on the road. One column, vehicle. The first one is lorries, then buses, then small cars, then there is motorcycles. This is vehicle. Then we have number of vehicles. So the number of lorries counted 8, the number of buses counted 4, the number of small cars counted 5, the number of motorcycles counted 2. So from this frequency table, we can tell which was the most common type of vehicle on that road. Which was the most common type of vehicle on that road? So the answer is the most common type of vehicle was lorries. Okay, lorry. The most common type of vehicle was the lorry, because there are 8 lorries, 4 buses, 5 cars, and 2 motorcycles. On that road, the type lorries, motor vehicles, lorries were most common. Okay, there were many lorries than there were buses or cars or motorcycles. So that is question 1.